Hello and welcome to my another video. Our today's topic is Biohacking Guide for Beginners, 7 Steps to Proven Results. So let's get straight to it. Have you ever heard of biohacking and thought it was too complex? You're not alone. Many think it involves complicated labs or radical changes. However, biohacking is about incremental enhancements to your daily habits. You can optimize your health and performance without expensive equipment or extreme measures. This guide simplifies the biohacking journey into 7 actionable steps anyone can take. Whether you face low energy, poor sleep, or brain fog, these strategies provide practical solutions. Ready to take control of your biology? Let's dive into biohacking. Biohacking is often dubbed DIY biology. It allows individuals to explore science-backed practices to enhance physical and mental performance. From dietary changes to advanced treatments like NAD+ injections, the range is vast. You can start biohacking simply through lifestyle adjustments. The rise of chronic diseases drives many people to seek preventative solutions. Practices like calorie restriction and intermittent fasting could potentially extend your lifespan. You will learn how to track results, find what works for your body, and transform your well-being. Step 1 is to understand the biohacking mindset. Biohacking is about taking control of your biology. This mindset forms a solid foundation for your health optimization journey. Embrace experimentation and let curiosity lead your way. Next, it's essential to track your baseline metrics. You need a starting point to measure progress. And track sleep patterns, nutrition, energy levels, and mood changes. Various tools, from apps to wearables, can help you log these metrics effectively. After you've established your metrics, start with simple lifestyle tweaks. One effective change is to cut blue light exposure before bed. Use amber glasses or night mode on devices. Additionally, get morning sunlight to boost alertness and enhance sleep quality. Once you're comfortable with these basics, try proven biohacks. Intermittent fasting, for example, is a powerful method. It shifts your body into a metabolic state that promotes fat burning and longevity. Cold exposure via cold showers or saunas can also enhance your immune function. Alongside these practices, explore supplements safely. Start with essential nutrients like magnesium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Testing your levels before supplementation is crucial. This way, you ensure you're not overloading your system. Next, monitor, reflect, and adjust your approach. And keeping a biohacking journal allows you to see patterns beyond mere metrics. Reflect on your interventions to identify what works and what doesn't. Ultimately, build a sustainable routine. Change doesn't happen overnight, so focus on small, manageable adjustments. This fosters consistency and prevents burnout. Engage with a supportive community of fellow biohackers to stay motivated. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Personalizing your biohacking journey is key. Focus on primary goals like improving energy or sleep quality and monitor your unique responses. In conclusion, biohacking can effectively unlock your health potential through science-backed strategies. Emphasize consistency over intensity. And don't worry, simpler practices often yield the greatest results. Begin your biohacking journey today. Start with one small change, measure its impact, and build from there. Join the community and share your experiences.